This is my drawing of Tow Mater from Cars, and today I'm going to teach you each and every step on how you can draw this yourself. So grab your pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson on the top left side of our page with the bottom edge of the windshield. We're going to start right here. We're going to start with a curve that goes up and then bend that down. Now on the ends we're going to draw two straight angled lines going up towards the top. So we'll start with the left, going up and then in, go to the bottom right and do the same thing, going up towards the same height, and we'll close off the top with a curve. Now in the center of the windshield along the bottom, we're going to draw a small oval for the pupil. Let's move over towards the right and draw the same thing. Let's fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now let's go back up to the top and draw the eyelid. Starting on the left side, we're going to bend this up and in towards the middle. Draw a short line going up. And we'll follow this curve going all the way across towards the right. Let's go to the top left corner, angle this up and out, go across the top of the roof, just curving this across and then down. This angle is down towards the bottom, towards the same height. From these 2 points, we're going to step in, draw a straight line going across. Let's trace this line going up, curve the top, and then angle this back down. Let's add a mirror on either side. From this point, we're going to step up, go straight up towards the top, flatten off the top and bottom, and we'll close out the side like a rectangle. Let's line this up on the outside on the left, going out, go up towards the top, and we'll flatten this off. Let's connect the mirrors to the side. From the top, draw two straight lines coming in. Do the same thing across the bottom. And we'll line this up on the right. Let's separate that side panel with two straight angled lines coming down. And we want to go in behind the mirror. From this point, angle this up along the side and round out the top. Now let's go all the way back over to the left side. We're going to draw the top of the hood, bend this up and then down, round this out, and then come down towards the front bumper. Let's round out the bumper. We're going to come down and then up. Let's round out the sides. And we'll close out the bottom with that same curve. Now over on the left side, draw an oval for the headlight. Let's line this up over on the right side and do the same thing. On this side, we're just going to add a thick edge. Let's go back to the corner of the windshield, draw the hood going out and then down, curve the bottom. Now I want to bend this up above the headlight, across and then back down. Let's add a trim across the bottom. Now over on the left side, we're going to draw the engine. We're going to go up and then across. Now I'm going to place the mouth in this area. Let's start up here, bend this down and out, curve the mouth, going across and then up, and then we'll add a bracket on the end. Let's open up the mouth. We're going to come down and then out. And then along the top, we're going to add two large teeth. Come down, across, and then up. Let's leave a gap and draw another one. Now halfway along this line, curve the rest of the teeth coming out, and we'll separate this with two lines. Let's draw the back side of the mouth underneath the tooth, curve this down and out, draw a straight line going across the bottom, and then we'll separate the teeth. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Over on the right side of the bumper, let's add that opening for the tire. We're going to go up and then bend this down towards the bottom. Draw a straight line going across towards the back. And we'll do that again. Drawing another curve going up and then down. Let's go back up to the top, draw the back going out and bend that down. Add another curve going out and then down towards that back bumper. And we'll close this off with a straight angled line. Let's add a trim across the bottom. Let's add that door across the side. Starting up here, bend this out, and then down. Go to the right side and do the same thing. And then along the top, draw a straight line. Now we're going to go back over towards the left side and draw the front edge of the tire. Let's start up here, draw an oval, coming down, round out the tire, and just pull it up underneath the bumper. Let's do the same thing across the back. Going all the way around towards the bottom, and tuck that up underneath the body. From the bottom of the tire, draw a straight line going across. Now the one on the back, we're going to go a little bit longer because this will be a double tire. Bend this up underneath the body, and we'll split that in half. Let's go back to the front and draw the inside edge of the tire. From the bottom corners of the body, just angle this up in behind the tires. And want to fill these areas in black. Now we're going to draw that back tire underneath the left side of the bumper. Starting up here, draw an oval coming down and up. Flatten out the bottom, curve the outside. Let's add the hubcap. We're going to draw a smaller oval in the center of each tire. And then over on the right side, we're going to draw a smaller oval right in the center. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to draw a straight angle line going up and then out, round out the end, and then draw a straight angle line across the top, coming back in. Just up above the end, draw a straight line going across, and then over on the right side, we'll draw a small oval. Go to the left side, curve this around and in behind that bar, and it'll flatten off the bottom. Let's add those bars across the side. Starting up here, and come down and out, and then angle this back in. Now over on the right side, we're going to come straight down towards the same height as this point, and angle this in. Let's trace these bars along the inside. Let's add a cable going across the top. From here, bend this down, and then up. And then from the bottom, draw a straight line coming down, add a small circle, and we're going to add a hook. From the center, curve this around, and then up towards a point, taper this around, and then back up. Let's add 2 lights across the top with a small half circle, and we'll add 1 large light along the top. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Tow Mater from Pixar Cars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.